Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. I just received a new package from GearBest. It's from the EU warehouse. This was my first time that something was sent out of Europe, not from China. And in here is the Xiaomi Mi Pro 15-inch notebook. And I'm really excited to test this one out. It got the Intel i5 8250 CPU built in, an MX 150 from NVIDIA, 2 GB of video RAM and 8 GB of normal RAM, and an SSD of 256 GB. And one of the reasons why I'm excited to check out the 15-inch device is because I'm such a huge fan of the Mi Air devices, of the 12-inch device and the 13-inch device. So this is just the next step. I paid, if I combine everything, cashback and all the things, I could pay 680 euros for this device. Yes, I know this is a lot of money if you consider it's just a QWERTZ keyboard layout, no German QWERTY layout, for example. And in terms of warranty, it's always a discussion because Xiaomi is still not available officially in Germany. Yes, I know they started opening a store in Spain, and this month they're opening a store in Austria. Next countries, I guess, are the UK and France, but still no shop in Germany. So if you look at the box, we can see it's a normal Xiaomi logo. And I don't know, but the laptop box, I've seen this design somewhere else. I don't know why. Of course, this looks like an Apple device, or at least the Apple box device, an Apple box. And of course, the device also looks a little bit familiar, like the MacBook Pro line of Apple. On the side, we see only Mandarin signs, Xiaomi logo, Mandarin, and on the other side, we already get the Xiaomi logo again. And on the back side, we get just some hardware informations like 15.6-inch screen, MX 152 GB. I've already told you all the stuff, so nothing more on the back side. Let's flip it over, and we just open the box. And 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And look at that. The notebook is filling out the whole box, so they can see. Oh, and you can see a color difference. This is more space gray. These were more silver. Let's open it up, pull it out. And what else do we got in the box? We got just the hello package here. First starter guide maybe. Yes, we get some instructions on Mandarin on how to charge the device, where are the USB Type-C ports, where's the headphone jack, what about HDMI and all the other things. Okay, that's it, nothing else, no stickers for example. Here we get our USB cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and our charger. But the charger is, I would say, I guess it's a 60-watt charger, 20 volt, 3.25. So let's calculate. It's a 76.5 watt charger. Yes, one USB Type-C port, but it's a Chinese charger, so you need an adapter, or you just take another big charger. Then, of course, let's figure out what about our 15-inch device. Let's see, we could open it this way, we could open it that way, just slide it out. And first of all, you see the downside of the device. Of course, Windows 10 is installed, we get an Office license, we get an NVIDIA sign, we got the Dolby Atmos HDMI logo, we get Xiaomi logo, we get the fan openings here, and we get the speaker openings at the side. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little rubber feet where the device will stand on. And we got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Torx screws that you have to remove if you want to open the device. So let's flip it over, and no Xiaomi logo, so there's no glowing logo. And just for your guidance, this is the 15-inch, this is the 13-inch device, and this is the 12-inch device, so you can definitely see a size difference if you put all devices on top of each other. Let's turn it that you can see it that way too. So, of course, 12, 13, 15 inch, this is just normal standard stuff. But the 12 one I really liked because it was so light. I really have to say in the last couple of months, the device I used the most was the 13-inch device because it's just more powerful and I like the typing on it a little bit better. And the 15-inch device weighs over 2 kilograms, so this is nothing light anymore. This is definitely a powerhouse or working machine. Of course, with a 15.6-inch screen, of course it's glossy. As you can see, we got the Xiaomi logo, webcam up here. This is big. And what else is big? The keyboard, of course, QWERTY layout again, and the trackpad. Trackpad with a built-in fingerprint scanner. And from the design, this is just, can we say high class? If you remember, when I unboxed the 13 and 12-inch devices, I said, yes, nice build quality, especially for the money. It's not Apple level, but still nice. And this is, I would say, definitely the next evolution step. But definitely better. Still, first impression is not quite on Apple's level, but this is definitely the nicest quality feeling I got from all the Xiaomi notebooks until now. So, what else do we get? The keyboard does not bend. Nice chiclet feeling, so nothing like the butterfly keyboards on the new Apple devices. This is way better. And if I close it, let's go around the device. We got a normal HDMI port. We got 2 USB 3 ports, 1 headphone port, nothing on the front. And on the left side, we got a standard normal sized micro SD card reader, no micro SD, so SD card reader. And we got 2 USB Type-C ports, which are also for charging. Keep in mind, you won't get Thunderbolt 3 with this. No, this is just USB Type-C. And I'm now pretty hyped to play around with the device, boot it up, check out the Chinese Windows, maybe put a German or English Windows on top of it, and then have a go with the device and test it in the next couple of weeks and month. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Bye.